What's up, guys? It's Single Sky, and we're back with another banger with Series, aka Hulk. So today we are going to be doing the Bouncy egg experiment. So all you need is 2 jars, vinegar, and an egg. So we take this, put the egg in, like that. Tilt it very gently on its front, like that. Pour the vinegar. Wait, blah, 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 no.
Alright, that's enough.
We have to wait 24 hours. We'll be back. Peace. 24 hours later. What's up, guys? We're back from 24 hours later, and we are going to be doing. We're gonna open this. Let's see. Split this. Unscrew it. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what it looks like, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god! That's a little liquid, but not the egg. It smells disgusting. I don't want to put my hand in vinegar. Oh gosh. No, don't break the egg. Don't tell me. Can I copy?
Clean it off.
Oh, bro, don't pinch it. Clean the egg off. Nice and softly. They can get. Watch this, guys. You can put the flashlight on the egg like this. Whoa! You see that? You see that, guys? Looks like the moon. Oh! That's another cool thing about this experiment. We're closing out the video. I'm surprised that the egg literally hopped out the thing onto the floor. That egg was bouncy.
And it crashed and it bouncy.
It exploded. Yeah.
It exploded.
Oh.
See?
Make sure y'all like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we out. Peace. Bye.
Bye.